Hi, I'm Adeola. I'm a pharmacist, yes, a real one. And I also run an online pharmacy called OneHealth, where you can buy your medicines and get proper professional counseling. Because confusion around drugs, dosage, safety, and side effects are very real. I thought I heard it all until I started reading the questions we get every single week. Questions like, if I double my Viagra for a month, will everything stay permanently big? Can I break my paracetamol tablets into 4 for my baby? Or my personal favorite, do I have sleeping sickness or am I just really lazy getting out of bed? Don't worry, we hear you. This channel exists to debunk myths, correct misinformation, and bring clarity to how medicines actually work in real life, not Google life. Let's get into today's question. Hi everyone, it's Adeola here again, your OneHealth pharmacist, and today I'm going to be answering the question, how can I stop vaginal yeast infection from coming back? As women, we've gone through this. If you feel like you and your antifungal cream are in like a long-term relationship that you didn't ask for, you're not alone. I've seen this question. We've been there and we've learned a thing or two as pharmacists, as women. To stop this cycle, though, you have to stop accidentally inviting the yeast to stay. So first, you have to remember that your vagina is a self-cleaning oven. It's not supposed to be fragranced. You might have scented candle and douches, and feminine washes to clean the good bacteria, right? If once you use all of that, you're going to kill your good bacteria, and that good bacteria is supposed to keep your yeast in check. So water is all you need. I know I sometimes use some of these feminine washes, but I look at it properly to ensure that it's really, really mostly aqua based. You probably can't stop that, and I know there are probably some that are safer, but on the whole, water is all you need. Second, check your wardrobe. So if you're wearing tight stuff, damp stuff, tight environments, synthetic fabric, tight leggings, you're building like a sauna for your yeast. You want to switch to cotton underwear and let things breathe. Thirdly, right, look at your recent medication. So if you've just finished antibiotics, you're likely that you have cleared out your good bacteria down there too. So next time when you speak to your pharmacist or your doctor, ask for probiotics to take alongside your antibiotics. So that helps to keep the balance. Last, if this is happening more than 4 times a year, you have to stop medicating completely. You might have a resistant strain or even high blood sugar, which is feeding the yeast. And at this point, you need professional counsel, professional guidance, speak to a doctor. I hope this helps. Thank you so much. Till next time, bye. If today's question sounded like something you've wondered about or asked in your head, you're not alone. That's why Ask the OneHealth Pharmacist exists. You can submit your questions, buy your medicines, and get professional pharmacist counseling through OneHealth or ask in the comment below. And remember, this is educational, not a replacement for seeing your doctor. See you next week and keep the questions coming.